Hello, my name's Adam and welcome to BCL Explorers. I'm a librarian with the Broward County Library, and today we're going to be exploring what our online resources can help you do at home. We're going to be reading a book about chemistry and doing a simple science experiment with items that you can find in your home. Parents, this experiment is intended for children in 3rd through 5th grade. Let's get started. We're going to be reading a book called The Periodic Table of Elements by Baby Professor. You can find this book by accessing Hoopla on the Broward County Library's website. Studying and understanding chemistry gives us the amazing opportunity to get into details of how the world around us works. We come to learn that everything in the universe is made up of matter and elements. All stuff on Earth is made up of atoms. Atoms are the building blocks of matter, and they are made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons. A single type of atom can make up an element. An element is a pure substance. Elements that are joined together become building blocks of matter in the universe. Examples of elements include copper, potassium, oxygen, chlorine, and hydrogen. Copper is a transition metal and is abbreviated Cu. A penny is made of copper. A transition metal can form compounds with varied colors. When copper combines with oxygen, it forms a molecule called copper oxide. You can see copper oxide on a penny when it looks really dirty. Let's get to our science experiment. We're going to learn about chemical reactions between copper and oxygen. What we need for this experiment is 10 dirty pennies, a non-metal bowl, lemon juice, vinegar, salt, a non-metal spoon, paper towels, water, and a pencil. Make sure your parents help you with this experiment. First, measure out 4 tablespoons of lemon juice and put it in the bowl. Add 8 tablespoons of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it up. Take a penny and dip it in halfway. Hold it there for about 20 seconds. Take it out and take a look. What happened? The mixture you made is very acidic. The mixture broke the molecule of copper oxide, dissolving the dirt. Now let's put all of the pennies in the mixture. Watch carefully to see what happens. At home, you want to let the pennies sit in the mixture for 5 minutes. We're going to speed it up a little for this video. After 5 minutes, take half of the pennies out of the bowl and wash them in some water. Now, let's put them on a paper towel. I'm going to write cleaned with water on this paper towel. And here's the water. So I'm going to take out 5 pennies, and I'm going to rinse them right in here. I'm going to write not cleaned on this paper towel. And I'm taking the remaining pennies out, and I'll put them right on here. What do you think is going to happen? When we broke the copper oxide molecule, the copper atom joined with 2 other atoms in the mixture, oxygen and chlorine. The chlorine was in the salt we added, and oxygen is in the air. The new molecule made up of oxygen, copper, and chlorine is called malachite. Malachite is usually blue-green. What color are the pennies now? Thank you for joining me for BCL Explorers. Remember, you can find the Periodic Table of Elements by Baby Professor and many other science experiments on Hoopla through the Broward County Library's website. Goodbye.